In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe metered billing. To get started, log into your Stripe account and head to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for Product Catalog and click it. This is where you create and manage the products and pricing options you want to sell. Next, click Add Product. You'll now begin creating the product that will use metered billing. When you reach the pricing section, select Recurring. This is important because metered billing is tied to subscription-style billing, where customers are charged on a repeating schedule based on their usage. After that, click More Pricing Options. This opens additional settings that let you choose more advanced billing models. Under Choose Your Pricing Model, select Usage-Based. This tells Stripe that the customer's charge should depend on measured usage rather than a flat recurring fee alone. Now choose the usage calculation method, such as per unit. This determines how usage is counted and billed, so pick the option that matches how you want to charge your customers. Then enter the price amount and select the currency you want to bill in. Make sure both of these are correct, since they directly affect what your customers will see and pay. Under the usage section, click Create Meter. A meter is what Stripe uses to track the activity or consumption that will later be billed. Create a new meter, or select an existing one depending on whether you already have a usage tracker set up. Once that's done, select the correct meter from the meter dropdown so your pricing is connected to the right source of usage data. Next, choose the billing period. This defines how often Stripe totals the tracked usage and invoices the customer. So, select the schedule that fits your business model. Before moving on, take a moment to review the pricing and usage settings carefully. This is a good time to double-check the recurring setup, the usage-based model, the calculation method, the price, the currency, and the selected meter. A quick review here can help prevent billing issues later. When everything looks right, click Next. Then finish by clicking Add Product or Save, depending on what appears on your screen. At this point, your metered billing product is set up and ready to be used in Stripe. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.